Ever wondered if vegans get enough protein? That's a question that swirls around the minds of many, often accompanied by a cloud of misconceptions. One of the biggest myths is that plant-based diets are inherently low in protein, leaving vegans scrambling to meet their daily requirements. But today, we're here to debunk that myth and shed some light on the truth. First off, it's important to understand what protein is. Protein is a vital nutrient composed of amino acids that our bodies need to function optimally. It's involved in everything from building muscle to maintaining our immune system. And yes, it can be found in abundance in animal products, but that's not the only place it resides. This brings us to the heart of the matter. Can vegans get enough protein from plant-based sources? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, all plants contain protein. Yes, you heard that right. All plants, from leafy greens to legumes, nuts, seeds, and even fruits, have protein. Some might argue that plant-based proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids. But while it's true that most individual plant foods don't provide all 9 essential amino acids in the same serving, it doesn't mean vegans are destined for protein deficiency. By eating a varied diet throughout the day, vegans can easily get all the essential amino acids they need. Moreover, there's a growing body of research showing that plant-based proteins are more than up to the task of supporting our health. For instance, a comprehensive review published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that plant protein intake is linked to lower rates of diseases like heart disease and high blood pressure. Let's also dispel the myth that you need to meticulously pair plant foods at each meal to get a complete protein. This idea, known as protein combining, has been largely debunked by nutrition science. As long as you're eating a variety of plant foods over the course of the day, you're likely getting all the amino acids you need. So, let's set the record straight. Vegans can get all the protein they need from plant-based sources. And in our next scenes, we'll delve deeper into the protein powerhouses of the plant kingdom and how you can incorporate them into your diet. So, where do vegans get their protein from? Let's explore. When you think of protein, images of sizzling steaks and grilled chicken might be the first things that pop into your mind. But did you know that plants can be powerhouses of protein too? Yes, you heard it right. Plants, the quiet, unassuming greenery we often overlook, are full of protein potential. Let's start with legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, peas, and all kinds of beans are bursting with protein. For instance, a cup of cooked lentils packs about 18 grams of protein, which is roughly equivalent to 3 eggs. And chickpeas? They aren't just for hummus. A cup of these versatile legumes offers around 15 grams of protein. Then we have the nutty corner. Almonds, peanuts, and cashews are not just great for snacking, but are also loaded with protein. A handful of almonds, for instance, provides 6 grams of protein. Try mixing them into your morning oatmeal or sprinkling them over a salad for a protein boost. Seeds are next up on our list. Chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds are tiny but mighty. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you around 4 grams of protein. And hemp seeds? They're a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Just 3 tablespoons give you a whopping 11 grams of protein. Grains are another excellent source of protein. Quinoa, a pseudo-grain, stands out in this category. Known as a complete protein, a cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of protein. Brown rice and oatmeal are also good sources, with about 5 grams of protein per cooked cup. But let's not forget about vegetables. Yes, our leafy green friends can be protein powerhouses too. A cup of cooked spinach, for instance, offers 5 grams of protein. Broccoli, too, packs a protein punch with about 4 grams of protein per cooked cup. And for those with a sweet tooth, there are even fruits that offer a good amount of protein. Guava, for instance, tops the list with 4 grams of protein per cup. Avocados, though technically a fruit, are also a good source with 3 grams of protein per half. Herbs might seem like an unlikely source of protein, but some, like spirulina, pack a surprising punch. 2 tablespoons offer 8 grams of protein. Add it to your smoothie for an easy protein boost. So, you see, the plant kingdom is teeming with protein-rich foods. You just have to know where to look. And the best part? These foods are not just rich in protein, but they also offer a wealth of other nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy choice for everyone, not just vegans. As you can see, there are plenty of plant-based foods that are packed with protein. But it's not just about protein, is it? While protein is a crucial nutrient, particularly for those who lead an active lifestyle, it's not the only element we need to keep our bodies functioning at their peak. When we talk about plant-based protein sources, we're also talking about foods that offer a wealth of additional nutrients, from vitamins and minerals to fiber and antioxidants. Let's talk about legumes, for instance. Beans, lentils, and peas are not only protein powerhouses, they're also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full, reducing the chances of overeating. They're also packed with iron, an essential mineral that plays a significant role in energy production and the transportation of oxygen in our bodies. Nuts and seeds are another excellent source of plant-based protein, but they don't stop there. They're full of heart, healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Take almonds, for example. They're high in vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties, and magnesium, which is vital for many bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are also more than just protein. They're complex carbohydrates, meaning they provide slow-release energy. They're also high in fiber and a range of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. And let's not forget about leafy greens. Foods like spinach and kale might not be the first things that come to mind when you think about protein, but they do contain some. More importantly, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. Even fruits like avocados and bananas have a place in the protein conversation. They provide a small amount of protein, but they're also full of other nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and healthy fats. So not only are these foods great sources of protein, they're also packed with other essential nutrients. Remember, a balanced diet is about more than just one nutrient. It's about getting a varied range of nutrients to support overall health. Variety is the spice of life, and that's especially true when it comes to your diet. Let's delve into why this is so important. When it comes to nutrition, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Our bodies are complex and require a wide range of nutrients to function optimally. Every food we consume brings something different to the table, be it vitamins, minerals, fibers, proteins, or other beneficial compounds. Consider this: a plate filled with different colors often signifies a meal rich in diverse nutrients. Each color represents a different set of nutrients. For instance, red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and bell peppers are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, while green leafy veggies like spinach and kale are filled with iron and calcium. Now let's talk protein. Essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are vital for our body's functioning. But here's the catch: our bodies can't produce all of them on their own. There are 9 essential amino acids that we need to obtain from our diet. This is where the importance of variety comes into play, particularly in a plant-based diet. Different plant-based foods contain different combinations of these essential amino acids. By eating a wide variety of these foods, you're more likely to get all the amino acids your body needs. Some days you might choose quinoa or soy, which are complete proteins. Other days you might mix and match, pairing beans with rice or peanut butter with whole grain bread to get a full complement of amino acids. But it's not just about protein. A diverse diet also ensures you're getting a wide spectrum of other nutrients, from heart-healthy fats in avocados and almonds, to fiber in whole grains and legumes, to a rainbow of vitamins and minerals in fruits and vegetables. To put it simply, eating a variety of foods is like giving your body a comprehensive toolkit to maintain and repair itself. It's a way to ensure you're not only surviving, but thriving. Remember, variety is key to a healthy, balanced diet. So, what's the takeaway here? We've journeyed through the world of plant-based protein, debunking myths, exploring protein powerhouses, and highlighting the importance of variety. Now let's tie all these strands together and see what we've learned. Firstly, it's clear that the myth of vegans struggling to get enough protein is just that, a myth. There's an abundance of plant-based foods teeming with protein. From lentils and quinoa to tofu and tempeh, these foods pack a protein punch that can rival their animal-based counterparts. Moreover, these protein powerhouses are not just one-trick ponies. They're nutritional gold mines offering a wealth of other essential nutrients. Lentils, for instance, are rich in fiber, iron, and folate. Quinoa is a great source of magnesium and manganese. And let's not forget about the humble pea, which is brimming with vitamin K and vitamin C. But it's not just about loading up on these protein-dense foods. Variety is key. By diversifying your diet, you're also diversifying your nutrient intake. Think of it as a symphony of nutrition, each food playing its own unique part, contributing to the overall harmony of your health. A medley of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds ensures that you're not only getting enough protein, but also a range of essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And lastly, it's important to remember that no single food needs to provide all essential amino acids in one sitting. The concept of protein combining has been largely debunked. As long as you're eating a variety of plant-based foods over the course of the day, your body will get all the essential amino acids it needs. So, whether you're vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet, remember, you can get all the protein you need from plants. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've debunked the common myths that plant-based diets are deficient in protein and that vegans need to combine foods to form a complete protein at every meal. We've discussed the protein powerhouses of the plant kingdom, including legumes, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and green leafy vegetables. We've also highlighted that these foods offer so much more than just protein, with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. We've underscored the importance of variety in a plant-based diet. By eating a wide range of foods, you're not just ensuring you get all the essential amino acids your body needs, but you're also reaping the benefits of the diverse nutrients these foods provide. Variety, as they say, is the spice of life, and in this case, it's also the key to a balanced, nutritious diet. We've arrived at the bottom line. A well-planned vegan diet can absolutely provide all the protein and essential amino acids you need. There's no need to stress about protein. It's all about focusing on whole foods and eating a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. As we wrap up, I encourage you to explore the world of plant-based proteins. Try new foods, experiment with different recipes, and see how enjoyable and satisfying a plant-based diet can be. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body, so make the most of it. In conclusion, our journey today has hopefully shed some light on the power of plant-based proteins. We've dispelled myths, highlighted nutrient-dense foods, and emphasized the importance of variety. It's clear that a plant-based diet rich in a variety of whole foods is more than capable of meeting your protein needs. Thanks for watching, and remember, the power of protein is in plants.